In today's episode, let's make some yogurt, and you'll only need two ingredients. So I have some milk, and this is packet milk. You can also use some cow milk, and I highly recommend use the cow milk if at all you are pretty sure that it hasn't been diluted. And here I have some yogurt. You can use any yogurt, your favorite yogurt, the cheapest yogurt. As long as it's yogurt, you're good to go. And without further ado, let's get started. So as I've mentioned, I'm using packet milk, so I do not really need to boil it. But if at all you're going to use the cow milk, please boil it first before you can start making your yogurt. I'm going to slightly warm this in such a way that when you insert your pinky finger, you shouldn't feel as if you've inserted your finger in anything. It's just lukewarm. That's the temperature we're going for. So this is about 60 or so seconds later. I'm going to mix this. Then I'll insert my clean finger. And this is the temperature that I want. So I'm going to switch this off. Then I'll see you on the other side where we can continue. So this is such an easy recipe, and this is my milk that I've already warmed up. I'm going to mix it with some yogurt. Then I'm going to start to combine this. And once that I'm sure the yogurt is well combined with the milk, I'm going to close this with an airtight lid. Then I'll place it hapo chini ya sink, or you can also place it in a very dark place or dark and warm place, but not a dark and cold place. So hapo chini ya sink works best for me, and our yogurt will be ready in about 12 to 24 hours. So this is about 24 hours later, and I'm pretty sure my yogurt is ready. I have some vanilla essence, and I also have some sugar. You can also add any flavor that you may prefer. So look at how big this is. This is very big. Oh. Just look at that. So I'm going to add some sugar. You can add as much or as little as you may prefer. I'll go in with about 3 spoons of sugar. Then I'm also going to add in about a teaspoon of some vanilla essence. Then I'm going to mix this till the sugar is well dissolved. You can see how big it is and very heavy. So mine is ready, and you can see how big it is. I'm going to cover this and return it to the fridge, and the longer it sits in your fridge, the thicker it becomes. So I'll see you tomorrow for serving and tasting. So finally my yogurt is ready, and let's have a look at it. And as you can see, I've been drinking it pole pole. Oh, look at how big it is. This looks very delicious, and as you've seen, it was that easy preparing some yogurt at home. Oh, this looks amazing. This looks delicious. So let's give this a test. Wow. 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 This is absolutely amazing. You just have to try this recipe. This is the bomb recipe. You definitely have to try it out. That's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.